called a mandarin lime, or local lemon, in Hawaii. This lime is a naturally occurring hybrid between lemon and mandarin orange tangerine. It is a medium-sized citrus tree, often confused with tangerine or other citrus on first glance. The fruit is polyembryonic and thus usually reproduces true to seed. A popular rootstock in many citrus-growing areas, the tree evolved in Hawaii as an ornamental, often when the grafted scion died off. The spreading and drooping branches have dull green foliage with an occasional purple tint on new growth. The tree can reach a height of 20 feet. The number and size of its thorns varies from tree to tree.